De Moivre's theorem, question number 6. If cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0, equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0, then show that cos 3 alpha, cos 3 beta, cos 3 gamma equal to 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now, given that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0 and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. Now, let x equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha and y equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. Next, z equal to cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Here one x equal to x plus y plus z equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, that is x. Now cos beta plus I sin beta plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Now x plus y plus z. Here real part separated and imaginary part separated. Cos alpha, cos beta plus cos gamma plus here I common sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, that is imaginary part sin gamma. Here we know that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to 0 plus I into sin alpha plus sin beta sin gamma equal to 0, I into 0 equal to what? Total 0. Now x plus y plus z equal to 0. One condition is there. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. That is one condition. When it is possible, if x plus y plus z equal 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Here x equal to what? This one, cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole cube plus cos beta plus I sin beta whole cube plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma whole cube. That implies equal to what? Equal to this one, 3 of x comma y comma z. That equal to 3 of x. X equal to what? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta into cos gamma plus I sin gamma. That implies this is De Moivre's theorem apply. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Here cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha. Don't write a bracket. Plus this one also De Moivre's theorem, cos 3 beta plus I sin 3 beta plus here cos 3 gamma plus I sin 3 gamma equal to 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha. Cos 3 beta plus I sin beta equal to 3 cos of. Here 3 multiply here. Here real part separated. Real part and imaginary part separated. Cos of 3 alpha plus cos of 3 beta plus cos of 3 gamma. That is real part. Plus I of imaginary part, sin of 3 alpha plus sin of 3 beta plus here sine of 3 gamma, that is imaginary part, equal to what? That is real part, 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 3 here multiply 3 sine of alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is imaginary part. Here real compare real and imaginary. Compare real part and imaginary part. Real part equal to, here LHS side, cos of 3 alpha plus cos of 3 beta plus cos of 3 gamma equal to what? Equal to RHS real part, 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now imaginary part equal to what? Imaginary part items, sine of 3 alpha plus sine of 3 beta plus sine of 3 gamma. RHS part imaginary part, 3 into sine of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Question number what? Cos 3 alpha, cos 3 beta, cos 3 gamma equal to 3 cos of alpha plus beta. Here first, that one first one. Now question number 1 actually. Question number 2 this one. Question number 2, sin 3 alpha, sin 3 beta, sin 3 gamma equal to 3 into sine of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Question number 6, third one. Cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus alpha equal 0. Given condition, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal 0 and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal 0. Solution. Let x equal to, write down, x equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. 1 by x equal to what? 1 by x, here plus equal to minus, write down, cos of alpha minus I sin alpha. Next, y equal to what? Cos beta plus I sin beta. Here 1 by y equal to what? Here plus will become minus, write down, minus I sin beta. Next, z equal to what? Cos gamma plus I sin gamma, that is our assumption. 1 by z equal to what? Here plus will become minus, right? Cos gamma minus I sin gamma. Now 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z find out first. What is the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to what? 1 by x equal to what? Cos alpha minus I sin alpha. Here 1 by y value cos beta minus I sin beta. 1 by z value cos gamma minus I sin gamma. Okay. Here real part separate, write down. Real part cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. That is real part. Minus I. Imaginary part what? Sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Here cos alpha plus cos beta cos gamma value 0 minus I into 0 equal to what? 0 minus I into 0, 0. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z value equal to what? 0. Now same, x plus y plus z value equal to what? Find out, we should find out x plus y plus z equal to what? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha, that is here cos beta plus I sin beta plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma, that is one z. Here real part separated, real part cos alpha, here cos beta, here cos gamma. Next imaginary part what? I of sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Imaginary part. Here this one we know 0 plus I into 0, given that is 0. xy plus yz plus zx. X value cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Y value cos beta plus I sin beta. That is X. XY. Next YZ value. YZ value cos beta plus I sin beta. Cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Plus ZX value cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Next X value cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos beta plus I sin beta formula. Cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. Same this one also. Cos beta plus I sin beta, cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Cos of beta plus gamma plus I sin of beta plus gamma. Plus here also cos of alpha plus gamma plus I sin of alpha plus gamma. Here real part, imaginary part separate. Real part equal to what? Cos of alpha plus beta. Here plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha. Imaginary part what? Imaginary plus I sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma plus sin of gamma plus alpha. That is real part, imaginary part. Now xy plus yz plus zx equal to what? Xy plus yz plus zx. Here xy plus yz plus zx equal to, this can be written as multiply divided by xyz. Here x into y into z multiply and divided by also xyz. Here xyz 1 by z here plus here 1 by x here plus 1 by y. xy cancel, z is remaining denominator. yz cancel here denominator x. xz cancel remaining y equal to as it is. This one real part plus I into this one imaginary part. Here already we know 1 by z plus 1 by x plus 1 by y value 0. 0 into something equal to 0 equal to cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha plus I into sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of beta plus gamma plus sin of gamma plus alpha. Total value 0. Now we want cos of alpha plus beta, cos of beta plus gamma, cos of gamma plus equal to 0. Show that. Here 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0, write down. 0 plus I into 0. Here write down 0. Here 0 equal to 0 plus I into 0 equal to 0. Real part equal to what? Real part is real part. I am writing here real part. Real part. Real part. Cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of beta plus gamma plus cos of gamma plus alpha equal to here real part equal to what? 0. And scroll. Question number 7. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal 0. Same sin, sin beta, sin gamma. Sum of equal 0. Here real part sum, imaginary part sum equal to 0. Questions. Now show that cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma. Now let solution. X equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. We know our assumption. Next y equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. Next, z equal to what? Cos gamma plus I sin gamma. 1 by x equal to what? 1 by x reciprocal. 1 by cos alpha plus 1 I sin alpha equal to cos alpha minus I sin alpha. 1 by y equal to what? Plus will become minus, right down. Minus will become plus, right down. 1 by z equal to what? Cos gamma minus I sin gamma. Okay. Now, x plus y plus z equal to what? X plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Y value cos beta plus I sin beta plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Real part, imaginary part, write down. Real part cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, that is real part. Imaginary equal to what? Sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to this value equal to, we know 0 plus I into 0 equal to 0. Therefore x plus y plus z equal to 0. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, squaring on both sides, SOBS. Now x plus y plus z whole square equal to what? 0 square, 0. That implies this form x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. 2zx equal to this value equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now that implies x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus z square equal to, take right hand side, minus 2 xy yz plus zx. Minus 2 common, here xy plus yz plus zx, and divided also xyz, one step right, xy plus yz plus zx. Here x square plus y square plus z square equal to minus 2 of, here multiply xyz and divided also xyz. xy divided by xyz, xy by xy, 1 by z will become yz by xyz, yz cancel, 1 by x, zx by xyz, 1 by y. That is equation 1. Consider 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z value equal to what? 1 by x equal to 1. Known cos alpha minus I sin alpha plus cos beta minus I sin beta. 1 by y. 1 by z known cos gamma minus I sin gamma. Observe here. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma value 0. Minus common here I. Sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma 0. I into 0 equal 0. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z value equal to 0. Equation 1, observe here. X square plus y square plus z square equal to minus 2 of x into y into z. This value equal 0. 0 into something equal to total value 0. Equation 1, this one value 0. Now x square plus y square plus z square value what? 0. Equation 1, x square plus y square plus z square equal to minus 2 of x, y, z into 0. That will become 0. Therefore, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. X value here cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole square plus cos beta plus I sin beta whole square plus cos gamma plus I sin gamma whole square equal to 0. Apply De Moivre's theorem. cos 2 alpha, here power 2 is there, multiply angle 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta cos 2 gamma plus I sin 2 gamma equal to 0. Here real part equal to what? Real part cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equal to, here 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0. Real part equal to what? Here 0. Actually we want cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma value. Here cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos gamma. Cos 2 alpha convert to in terms of cos square, cos theta, 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Here 2 cos square beta minus 1. 2 cos square gamma minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 3. Take right hand side plus 3. Here 2 cos square alpha, 2 cos square beta, 2 cos square gamma. 2 common. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 3. That implies cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to, take right hand side 3 by 2. That is answer. Now actually we want sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma also 3 by 2. Cos square alpha converted in terms of sin. 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus sin square beta, identity formula. 1 minus sin square gamma equal to 3 by 2. Here 1, 3. Here take RHS term 3 by 2. Take left hand side. Minus 3 by 2 equal to, here minus minus minus, take left right hand side, plus will become sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. That implies 3 minus 3 by 2 LCM 3 by 2. Therefore sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma value 3 by 2.